Hello viewers, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Out of Box with Anil Pandey. Today is 15 January 2025. Again, I will just give you the update as I used to give for Prestige City. So today I have just made a blog and shooted this all with my mobile. So right now you may be seeing the inside view of the Prestige City from the Sarjapur main gate. As I have uploaded previously the drone view about Forum Mall, which is construction is taking place, and the few are the update I will give you regarding Avalon, S1 Green Villa, and also the construction update for Eden, Meridian Park, and Aston Park. So right now you may be seeing this Avalon. As for the just I inquired from the marketing office, the tower 1, 2, 3 in Avalon is completely the construction work finished, but 4 in 4, 5, 6, 7 job is still in the finishing. As you know, the earlier that possession date was in February, but now the construction and possession date is escalating. Maybe in March, as and when the update will come, I will give you. And same goes for Aspen Green Villa. 90% the Aspen Green Villa is the construction job is over, but still the 10% you can say. So the escalation date for possession of this Aspen Green Villa long awaiting. Earlier it was in October 2024. Now it is leading towards again in later of 2 or 3 months. As and when the update will come, I will give you the update regarding this S1 Green Villa. So keep watching my video for getting new updates, and also for the new viewers I will just say this is a landmark project of the Prestige Real Estate Group in Sarjapur, on the main road, and having a land parcel of 188 acres surrounded by so many reputed schools, colleges, shopping mall, IT parks, and having a luxurious, landmark project in Sarjapur. The Forum Mall, which you might have seen in my previous videos, is having a large in near about 17 acres. It will be largest Forum Mall in the Sarjapur. So right now on your screen, so this I mean to say this is Aspen Green Villa which you are seeing right now, awaiting for new update for possession. And the moment you enter from the Sarjapur main gate, you will get a construction work of Forum Mall, which is construction is going on, and it may take 1.5 years to fully construct. And so as and when the new updates regarding Forum Mall or construction updates, I will be bringing to you. And by side just you see Avalon, this Eden Park is also the towers. Some of the towers construction work is over, but still it is having more flat than the Avalon, so the towers are more here, so other towers work is going on. And beside this you can have a view of Meridian and Aston Park Villa Park also. The construction work here also going with full pace. So what happens if I go for Prestige City as a whole? I take a video shoot, and I make a blog so that the buyers who have just bought the flat here, they get update whether in India or abroad. As you know, the Bangalore is a city of IT employment, and the maximum people come here every month. Initially they live on rent, and then they search out for their own home, because purchasing or investing in own home, whether for living purpose or growth point of view, is always a happiest moment for any of the individual. So for growth point of view, I can see this project was launched in 2000 year end, and from that point of time the appreciation has just doubled. During that time the price was between 6000 to 6500 square feet. Now if you go there and ask to marketing office, the price of this project is near about between 13,000 square feet and between 13,000 square feet to 15,000 square feet. So again I say, for youth who want to invest in the real estate, so this is a good opportunity, and everybody don't take for the flat or villa for for living purpose. Some investors or whatever investor invest in the real estate to get a growth. So always the buy and sell opportunities are existing in this project, not in this project, in every project. So the best way, if buyers are interested, the best way is to reach directly without any broker to marketing office of the real estate, wherever you want to purchase or want to know the correct price. So they are having a sell of the buyers or sellers who want to sell their flat at what rate. So the correct information you will get only through the marketing office, that you just see beside. If anybody is interested, can approach to Experience Center, that is a marketing office of the Prestige City at Sarjapur, Bangalore. Moreover, the third phase, growth is immense coming in Sarjapur. Third phase metro is also coming, already approved, and it is coming here in the Sarjapur. So the more growth, more infrastructures already existing, and furthermore infrastructure will come here. Then regarding the water problem, people ask what is the source of water. They have got their own borewell, and moreover this area Sarjapur is still not having that much water problem which is existing in north or south or west part of the Bangalore. So this is, I am just giving you the update by which the people interested in the real estate can know, and then this is the education point of also. If you want to check it out, nobody just invests their hard-earned money immediately. This is for education point also. If you want to purchase any property of any builder, so this will just give you enhance a inside picture where you can decide what Prestige gives, what Godrej gives, or Brigade gives. So you can compare. Ultimately, you are the only final decision is yours, where you are investing your money. My motto is that simple, that you should know the all legal point of this. You should know about the builder, where you are investing. Ultimately, you should invest in the safe property. So viewers, how you like this video, let me know. And it is also my request to you, all of the viewers, kindly subscribe my channel so that you can get the update, and also share to your contact or needy person, so that if anybody in need of buying a flat or house, they can have a update data. So I will be coming with more frequently with this type of video. Till then, thank you everyone.